Hey.
So funny. What the heck? He loves doing that.
Not me.
Did you do that? Go to kennel. Hey, kennel. Kennel.
Touch you with my feet.
He said he's never seen me or anything like that.
God damn it! You bit my face!
Oh my goodness.
You look really handsome, Benny. Can you look at your mama? He's ignoring me because I took him to the groomer.
I said no. Hey, I said no. No.
What? What? Oh. Oh, it's a chicken. Okay. No. Canela, you stealing from me?
Was it you, Oreo?
So you know you're my baby and I love you, but you cannot go turkey hunting with me.
You wanna go eat? Come on.
Come on! Let's go! Oh my What's wrong, buddy? Look at me. What's wrong with your eye? Oh, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside and play? Hi, Wiener. Good morning, Maggie. Paw. Thanks, Jasper. That's so.
Trevi, stretch.
Kevin, you gotta go to your crate. Sir? Kevin.
Give me your butt. Give me your butt.
Good holdover?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Look at the zoomies.
Hey, Blaze. You ready to go take your bath? Hey.
You knocked it.
Oh my god.
What? God, this little.
Hi, Lakota.
It's okay, don't cry.
Hey, no. Come on. Leave it. What is that? Is that $50? Yo!
Come Hill. Treat. Treat.
Prince. Look, Prince. Prince, mommy here. Oh my God.
So you can stop looking at me because this is one of those times.
Boy, you need to get a.
Get your tongue off my door.
You gotta go to your crate. Sir? Kevin.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magna!
Hey, no. Come on. Leave it. What is that? Is that $50? Yo.
It take you that long to find it?
It does.
Look at this. How in the hell did you get way up there?
So this email says, do you want to go in the office on Tuesday or Wednesday? There will be lots of treats.
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
Oh, it is. It's okay.